Hi everybody, this is Maria Dolan, Marketing Director for Dolan Homes. We're here today on location in Edison Mobile Estates, my home in Edison.com. So I want to show you this brand new house that arrived where, as you know, I like to do updated videos on a regular basis, and I wanted to show you the progress of where we are right now. So today they put in the new Andersen Storm doors, and they did also the glass shower door. So you'll see a little bit of debris out there because the guys just left location. This house is 537 square feet, and it's what we call our tiny home. Typically tiny homes are less than 300 square feet, but because we follow the HUD code, we can't have anything less than 400 square feet. We measure each lot to decide what house fits there, and this house is 537 square feet. This house has one car parking in the front. It's near the entrance of Highway Route 1 in Edison and near the office. And let's walk along the edge of the house and you'll see a little bit about it. It's a one bedroom, one bath. We still have to put up the railings on the fiberglass steps. You've got this great little deck area here. And of course, all of our HUD homes have to have a second door closest to the bedroom for safety reasons. So there's certain things that the house comes made in the facility according to the HUD code. And then when we receive the house, then there's things that we add. So we added the skirting, the gutters will be coming shortly. We add the shed, we take care of the property and the landscaping. This particular house, for ease of convenience, has stone. So let's go inside and take a look at the rest of the house. I'm sure you're anxious to see it. Now you see inside how quiet the house really is, with this beautiful archway above the 4-panel door. And this is a great area for your living room. You have a ceiling fan. The guys came in and really whipped it together. They finally put together the ceiling fan. When the house arrives, there's a lot of pieces that we need to put together. So over here you have the kitchen, and this is a 3-package appliance, Whirlpool kitchen appliances, your refrigerator, your stove. It's got this great Viking look-alike countertop or stovetop, and then your microwave. The kitchen also has this stainless steel double sink. So the reason the house is so quiet is because it's a fully insulated home, and the windows are Thermopane. And the manufacturer provides these shades, and they're the brand new pull down, pull up, no strings anymore. The valances come with the house. This house is our very first house using the Birch Canoe, or Canoe Birch, new wood color for this cabinet. It's a little bit softer than the old Tuscany look, and it's a more country look, a more shabby chic, I don't know. So here the counter matches the floor. This house is linoleum throughout. We've had a lot of people tell us they don't want carpeting in the bedrooms anymore. So we take people's ideas and bring them to you. Come on and let's check out the rest of the house. This house has central air conditioning, and it runs through the smeller furnace. This is also forced hot air. You've got the 9-light cottage window here, great view of the community. And again, this is due to the fact that the HUD code requires a second door next to the bedroom. Let's go into the bathroom. So the bathroom has this waterproof wall covering. The guys installed today this heavy-duty glass shower door, and this is a one-piece fiberglass unit. Step in, step out. Awesome, with 2 seats for all your shampoos or sitting or putting your leg up. Over here you have your commode and your vanity, and there's a wonderful cosmetic box. So again, this matches the cabinetry in the kitchen, and it's all wood. Now let's go look in the bedroom. Before we start in the bedroom, I want to point out to you, this is the area for your stackable washer and dryer. So we've got hookup ready for you. It's electric, and venting in the floor and just waiting for you to move in and bring it from whatever appliance company you want to go purchase it from. In the master bedroom, you've got, actually in the living room and the master bedroom, you've got hookup for your cable. And then these two doors are your hot water heater. I mean, I've shown you before. We'll take a look. This is standard size for this size of a house. And we make it really pretty so that you can have access in case of anything that happens. But you really, for all intents and purposes, don't really need to access it. So you could put furniture inside of it, in front of it. In the past, these homes used to have the access panel through the closet. So we decided to pay a little extra and put it on the outside so you don't have to undo the panel and take out all your clothes to access your hot water heater. So this is your bedroom, and it's bypass doors, and in here we're storing a couple of things that are fragile, like the screens that go with your Andersen Storm doors. So let's go back into the kitchen and I'll give you some tips on how to apply to purchase this house and come home for the holidays. We're here at Christmas time. It's 4 days till Christmas in Edison, New Jersey. So let's go over how you can purchase this house. It all starts with an email. You send an email to info@dolanhomes.com. Then I send you our very extensive informational email that explains who we are and what we're building and what we're all about. And then you respond by asking for the 15 pre-qualifying questions. A lot of those questions have to do with our lease. And then after that, we make an appointment to see the house in person. And then after that, you bring in your resident application for every adult that wishes to live here in our community. That application, once approved, is good for 6 months. And then if you need financing, I'd be happy to give you the resources that we've discovered through the years of being in the manufactured housing industry. So check out our website, myhomeinedison.com. We look forward to having you come on home.